Here I've wired a step motor with switches, and they go in steps. I'll show you. There's the first step, second step, third step, fourth step. So this one has 4 connections, and it just magnifies one segment, magnifies the other one, and the other one, and the other one. If I were to change the sequence, it wouldn't work. So right now I'm making it go like, and then so if your program or your connection is not right, you may get something like this. See, now it's not doing anything, and so forth. So if you have any kind of problem in your program or your connection, you'll find that. If all goes well though, it should go like this. See, now it's back on track. And typically some step motors can go extremely fast. If I go like this with, I call it 16th notes, and in music, there's 4. This is a 4. Sometimes you can get some that are 5. You can go like that. And now if I change it, if I go backwards, see I'm messing up a little bit, so then that can happen with your program sometimes. So this is known as a step motor. I'll show you the transformer that I'm using. I'm using a transformer. I often measure what they are, and I write down it's 6.5 volts. Show you the connection. You've got what is often referred to in electronics as a header, but so it goes like that. But I thought it was kind of interesting because my students refer to it as a fork, which is, you know, could arguably be. Now, when you do your diodes, notice that the stripes are going towards the switches and the motor, where the motor's connected. So see the stripe on this one, that one, and the stripe on this one and that one. So make sure you connect them that way. So what you do is you get your fork. Hang on, it's stuck on the stand here. You get your fork and you insert it to, these are the 2 power supplies in the center, and you got to make sure your sequence is proper. All right. So let me just put that in, and I think I've matched. I'll put the sequence on Edmodo, but so I matched it to the color orange, yellow, brown, and black. Okay. So if you mess up any of those things, it won't work. Now here's your power supply. I've got the black here, which supplies power to all those things here. Actually, this one is not being used. Hope it doesn't confuse you. But there, all the switches are connected to the black, which is here. All right. If I turn it this way, you'll see that I've got the power connected to the 2 reds here, and that connects the powers the motor properly. Hang on, I'm trying to get the camera to focus. All right, and you can connect this here anywhere on this bus. Let me just connect it over there. All right, and then the black, I'll put black over here so it's closer to the switches. I just connected it here. All right, so let me do it again. I think you can see it in the background, and the transformer is not connected. Now it's connected. Let me see if I can get it fired up again. See, I've got a problem now because the connection is not proper. So you saw it work in the first place, so make sure you do it correctly.